Hello, peeps. So there's been an ongoing issue been going around, and it's called the Yahoo redirect. Some people call it malware. Some people just say virus. It's a browser hijacker, and I've been trying to figure out how to resolve this. One thing I do know is that the information that you sync on your Google Drive when you reinstall the browser, that's where it is. You can install the browser. You can uninstall the browser. Uh, you have to go in and delete two. I've got to show you here. There's two directories here. These two, but specifically this one here. If you delete that one after you uninstall your browser, then when you reinstall the browser, it looks normal without the hijacks. Now you can install, then you can sign into your Google account, but do not sync it. As soon as you hit sync, the hijacker gets onto your browser and you're already back. So I just reinstalled, and I did the sync. So I'm just gonna say hi, and look where it takes me, to Yahoo, right? It doesn't matter where I go, it's going to take me to Yahoo. So I end up finding, if we go to the three little dots in this corner and we hit settings, and then we want to go to search engines, and we want to go there, and here's some which comes. But if you don't want this, you can always remove it. See, that's the search engine, that's Yahoo. See, don't want Yahoo at all. But that's not really where it's causing the problem. Scroll down here till you start seeing these sites. So you see here, there's one that says Google. Look at that. That's the shortcut. Let's listen to where it goes. Search.great.com. Now let's go look where it sent us. Dot search. Okay, so this is one that we want to get rid of. This is some hokey pokey stuff. So let's take this one and we're going to delete it. Let's go look at this one. Again, that's another one. We'll take this one and delete it. Here's another one. Yep. Take this one and we're going to delete it. Here's another one. Take this one, delete it. And there, oh my goodness. There's a whole rack of them deleted. I'm pretty sure this is a funky one. Yep, the same thing. This one, Jesus, this PC has multiple. Okay, delete. Let's go. I'm just curious where it says same thing. Delete. Now this is actually a decent. I haven't seen that site in a while, but it's okay, all of them, all these. Yellow pages. Delete. All these I'm pretty much just going to delete because I know they have nothing to do with Yahoo at all. And if you go in, there's tons of them in here. Everything from AliExpress to I could just stop. They all have the same thing in them. God, look how many of us in here. Jesus Christmas. Is there a way I can do a group delete? Let's go. Let's see. Yeah, they all, every last one of it. This name is just used as a way to kind of deceive you to think that it's really has something to do with Google. All it is redirecting you to nonsense. go here. And the bad thing about this is not one single uh, virus program has been able to figure this out because it's looking for a virus, and this is almost, I guess it kind of would be one in a sense. So basically, this is where it goes in and pretty much finds any site that you may have or may not have been to. It just add an entry. So how many left? Jesus Christ. Okay, they actually all disappeared. And so while your PC is synced, any other PC that is on your that's syncing with this account, this should clear it out. God, there's so much crap. I really wish there was a quicker way to delete all this. Wow. And the sad thing about it, they all going to the same place. Jesus, please. God. I think it just randomly chooses, because even ones you think that are cool aren't cool. It just randomly chooses sites, and I don't know what is this based on. I'm just looking at this. I don't even know what this site is. Okay, so we're finally getting to where we want to get to. See there, look at that. That's now it may deceive you to say Microsoft, but look, that's not has nothing to do with Microsoft. So we're gonna get rid of YouTube. Same thing. YouTube. Nope, it's not had nothing to do with YouTube. Delete you again. And let's look at this one. This one, see? Same thing. Has nothing to do with YouTube. Now, what is these? Okay. All right. So what we're going to do here is we're now going to go back to here we're going to go, let's just open up our, voila! No redirects. Takes you right to Google. So we're just going to close this out and I'm going to show you. Let's go back to Google. Where's Mr. Google? Okay. And so remember, if you normally if you type in music, and of course it takes me to Google. This is how you get rid of the hack. Now, since I've reconnected my system, reconnected it back to my account, I'm going to have to I think I'm going to have to go talk to my son because I think he uses my account too, and this could be part of the problem. But that fixes the hack. The hack is fixed. Again, like I said, if you don't want to go and delete all that stuff, which I recommend that you do anyway, periodically check to see if there's any new entries. Let's just go out of shooting giggles and make sure that nothing else popped up. I'm going to go to, where's it at? Search engines, and click here. And notice there's no more entries. Virus scanning doesn't fix it. What is it called? IO or whatever they call it. They claim to be able to fix it. They can't fix it either. So I was on a mission to get this fixed. I was too tired of this crap happening. And of course, you can always remove these up here. It's not necessary. It's not necessary. Of course, that's going to stay up because that is Google, and then of course this was Bling, right? You can always go in and remove these, but you don't have to. Make sure Google's your default search engine, boom, and that's how you fix the Yahoo hack or browser hijack. Just go in and clean it up. You search engine and clean up anything that you don't recognize or anything that looks suspicious. Even if it doesn't look suspicious, just click on that little button. So you could this little edit button here, and look, see what it says. And 9 out of 10 times it's going to say something like search or something. It's going to say something completely opposite of what it says it is, and that'll clean up your whole system. And now this is going to replicate, and any other device that may or may not be having problems, that would be fixed because it's going to remove it from them. All right, folks. Ron Tech World, fixing the Yahoo redirect virus. Take care.